Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. A huge thank you to everyone who's been with us on this journey. If you're new here, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super useful for businesses, logistics planning, and research: how to calculate a distance matrix. Whether you need to measure distances between multiple locations or streamline your workflow, we've got the perfect tool for you. A distance matrix is a table that displays the distances between multiple locations in a grid format. This is incredibly useful for businesses in logistics, delivery services, real estate, and territory mapping. Instead of manually calculating distances between each pair of locations, a distance matrix does it automatically, saving you time and effort. We've developed an Excel-based matrix distance calculator that lets you calculate distances between multiple locations instantly. No complex mapping software needed, just Excel. With this tool, you can input multiple addresses or zip codes, automatically calculate the distance between every location, display the results in an easy-to-read matrix format, and make logistics and route planning much more efficient. To use this tool, you need a Google Maps API key. This allows the tool to retrieve accurate distance data for your locations. If you don't have an API key, you can generate one by following the instructions in the link provided in the description. Let me show you how simple it is. Download the tool from the link in the description. Open the Excel file and paste your addresses or zip codes into the first row and the first column. Once you've done that, click the Calculate button, and within seconds, the tool will generate all the distances for you. The best part? It's user-friendly, requires no installation, and gives you instant results. If your business relies on precise distance calculations for deliveries, service areas, or mapping territories, this tool will save you time, effort, and the headache of manual calculations. We've been creating Excel tools for over 16 years, helping more than 7,500 customers optimize their workflow. With over 130 five-star Google reviews, our tools have proven to be time savers for businesses of all sizes. Feel free to read these reviews. Download the Matrix Distance Calculator using the link below. Also, visit ExcelDistanceCalculators.com for more powerful tools to simplify logistics and distance planning. Have questions? Need customizations? Our phone number and email are on the screen and in the description. You can also reach out via live chat on our website. No bots, just real people ready to assist you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tools and tutorials. Until next time, happy calculating.